Hello everybody, in today's video what I got for you is I want to show you how you can link your stores to your YouTube channel so you can start selling merch on your own stores. So you can see I'm on the channel dashboard, and what I want to do is go to Earn. From Earn, you want to go over into these tabs, into the shopping tab, and then you got set up a store on YouTube. You got set up, so go ahead, click here, and I'm going to set up a spread shop store. So I'm gonna select this one, and you can go ahead and agree to all terms, and then press accept. It says welcome to spread shop. I can go ahead and just log in since I already have a spread shop store. All right, so it says select shop. You can see mine already came up, Married to Freight. So I want to go ahead, check that box, press continue. Go ahead, log in with YouTube. And you can see it says sign in to Spreadshop YouTube integration. So I just want to go ahead, press continue again. Go ahead, select all, click that box, go down, press continue. And you can see it says almost done, almost finished. And what I want to do is, it says your YouTube is now connected to Spreadshop while your products are being submitted and checked by YouTube. You can whip your shop into shape and create more products for your subscribers. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I can go back to YouTube, or I can go ahead and edit my shop settings. So what I want to do is go back to YouTube. I want to go to Earn, back to shopping, and I can see I have analytics down here now. I don't have any products on display yet, but they will start to show up once this. It takes maybe a few days to actually finish integrating to actually get your merchandise to actually show up here, but once it does, you'll see all of it be displayed right here and the stores be right here. Your shopping tab will look like this. You can see it has managed products. I got display products right here, and then my stores right here. So you can go ahead and customize it depending on how many products you have. You can see I got a few different shirts and mugs and things like that up here, and on this side you get to pick what you want to be the selected products that you will show up on your videos. So hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, why don't you leave a like, share, subscribe. Also, maybe you saw a design for a shirt that you liked. Maybe you want to go ahead, go to the Spread Shop store and actually look at something, see if you find something you want to buy. Thanks for watching.